So today we're going to try something different here on our DiscBine. We had some issues with this cutter head not cutting thin grass, especially new seeding alfalfa. It just blows it down. We do have the flail conditioner on this one. So this is the cutter head, standard blades, standard hubs, standard knives, flail conditioner. What we're doing is we're taking all these knives off, and we purchased, this knife is still good, so I'll reuse this one. So we purchased these crop lifters here that they're supposed to lift the grass up more into the conditioner so the conditioners can pick it up more. So we're going to give this a whirl, and we'll see how this works. But yeah, the grass, alfalfa should come up here. This is already the same angle as the lifter, as you can see. Slightly a different, steeper angle than this part here. So hopefully the grass will shoot a little higher, lift it off the ground. That's come on. Do everything by hand now. Too bad the impact's not working. It'd be a lot faster. So this blade is still good. Just turn it over. Still nice and sharp. So I'll use that again. But we need different of these nuts on the bottom. The new ones are a little higher. See the difference? It's just a little bit higher up. They're a little thicker anyway. So put it in the slot. And get your crop lifter. Line it up with the hole. Get your blue colored nut. Thread it. I put my wrench on the bottom. And then just thread it in a bit so it's snug, and then you can do the top. That's not working as good as I want it to. Try again here. So I just set it in the wrench, put it this way, like that, and then go underneath, and you can see in this little hole here, there's some junk there, so I'm going to clean that up. There we go, line that up, and put this bolt, and so like that. Don't forget to tighten this one back. Trying to find a good spot to put the GoPro so I can do a time lapse. There, that should work. And we're ready for mowing. Now we just got to clean up all the mess. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and click that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll try and keep videos coming for you.
Slime.
What do you mean it's slime? Do you have a prize for Daddy?
Yeah.
What is it? Slime? You made slime?
No, you open it, and then you see. Say, Daddy, do you think it's going to be wet or hard?
I bet you it's gonna be wet.
You try.
But my hands are all dirty.
Oh.
Can you do it for me and I'll look at it? What is it? It's hard? Oh.
Hard, and then it turns soft.
Oh?
Here, show you.
Oh,
and
wow.
it sticks on you.
And then it goes back hard again?
Or you stay it super still and it goes off.
Oh. You like it? Dinner time.